guys, looking at, I'm up in RIPON, Quebec. My truck there, there's a tire in the bushes, and we've got this thing for sale. This is right now, November. So she's for sale right now, called a Mack B61 Thermodyne. Look at all the switches. Designed for the crane. What's inside? Looks pretty neat in there. Nicely restored. Yeah, in great shape. Nice handle. Paint's getting a little bit old, you can see. It's been restored quite a few years ago. It's got peel and stick chrome. And actually it's been hand painted. Yeah, it's all hand painted. So, big old Mack rims, huge tires, big chrome bumper, and the big front end. Has it been re-chromed? Yes, it has. No, it's not. It's stainless. Excuse me. You can see how much I know about Mack trucks. Yeah. And of course, got big Mack up there. Little wampus there. And again, big diesel. The air cleaner. Can we see inside? Can't see inside. Goodyears. What size are these monsters? DOT something. Let me see. Where's radial tubeless? 12 by R20. Green. Oh yeah, it's a green and red. More switches. Stovepipe. And again, more retreads. Retreads. Look at all the leaves in there. Holy. And again, exterior. Bateau, auto, something about moving things. Truck bodies. Atlanta, Georgia? No way. Look at all this. This has all been replaced. This is all 2x4s. I thought it was steel, but it's not. Bed stakes, they call it. Anyways, take a look over here. Same sort of thing. Big old-fashioned thing. Nicely painted, cleaned up nice. Again, of course, got to be safed. And again, brand new tires. Yeah, acceptable. Double 36W 24-hour service in the Laurentians. Pontiac Buick GMC. Very neat. GMC 450. Again, look at the interior. Ooh, brand new rubber. Look at all the rubber in there. Very nice. Can't really see a whole lot. Look at that front end, eh? 1953, all right. Look at the original. Actually, it's been painted. Yeah, somebody's touched that up. And again, bulb missing there. Not too bad, eh? Let's see what it looks like inside. Very nice. Very simple interiors. General Motors truck, it says. General Motors truck on the dashboard. It's got the small back window, and it's got a fair bit of orange peel and some waves in that roof line around that Bondo, I would suppose. All down here, I can't imagine is original, but boy, is it in nice shape. Perfect shape. Not even a scratch. What do we got underneath here? Yeah, perfect shape. Big drive shafts and muffler and everything. All in good shape. So, anyways, guys, a GMC 450 and a Mack truck. Here, oops, stumbled over that thing. Here, in RIPON, Quebec. SAN 379. Out.